I built an AI system that replies to every YouTube comment automatically. It's been running on my channel for days now, and you're about to see exactly how it works. Even with a small channel, replying to comments takes time. As you grow, it becomes impossible. You either ignore your audience or spend hours in the comment section. Neither is ideal, so I automated it. This is my YouTube comment auto-reply system. It checks my channel every 5 hours, reads new comments, and responds using AI. Zero manual work. It's one of 3 automation systems I built and now sell at AlgoNova Labs. Let me show you the proof. Here's my latest video. These comments? All replied by my AI system. The system detected these comments within 5 hours and responded automatically. I didn't type a single word. The system starts with a schedule trigger. I set it to run every 5 hours. You can customize this every hour, twice a day, whatever fits your channel. Next, it connects to YouTube's API and fetches my latest video, then pulls all the comments from that video. Here's the smart part. It checks a data table to see which comments it's already replied to. This prevents duplicate replies. Every comment ID gets saved in this table. If the system sees it again, it skips it. No spam, no duplicates. For new comments, it sends the text to GPT-4. I gave it instructions on how to respond. Friendly, helpful, on-brand. It generates a contextual reply in seconds. Finally, it posts the reply to YouTube and saves that comment ID to the data table. Done. The whole process repeats every 5 hours, fully autonomous. This system saves me hours every week. More importantly, my audience feels heard. Every comment gets a response. That builds community and boosts engagement. And I built it once. Now it runs forever. You have full control. Change the schedule, run it every hour instead of every 5. Customize the AI's tone. Make it formal, casual, witty, whatever fits your brand. Add filters to skip certain comments. It's your system. Want this system for your channel? I'm selling the exact workflow I just showed you. 2 options. DIY for $100. You get the workflow file and documentation, set it up yourself. Or done for you for $350. I handle everything. You just provide API keys. Link is in the description below. And hey, want to test the system yourself? Leave a comment on this video. Check back in 5 hours. My AI will reply. See it in action before you buy. Thanks for watching. If you want more n8n tutorials, subscribe to this channel. I'm Selwyn, and I build systems that work while you sleep. See you in the next one.